Military Standard Handbook, Military Handbook 210a, Conversion Factors and Logistics Data for Petroleum Planning. Once again, Military Standards Handbook, Conversion Factors for Logistic Data of Petroleum Planning. Military Handbook 210a, PDF. The Department of Defense, Washington, Conversion Factors, Logistics Data for Petroleum Planning. The Standardization Handbook, developed by the Department of the Navy and the Navy Facility Engineering Command in accordance to established procedures. Publication approved on April 16, 1979. The printing and inclusion of Military Standard Handbook Series. The document provides commonly used conversion factors and characteristics of petroleum products. It will be provided valuable information guides to personnel concerned with petroleum planning. The handbook is not intended to reference or purchase specification except for informational purpose, nor shall it be superseded in specific requirements. Every effort has been made for reflecting last information and conversion factors and logistic data of petroleum planning. Handbooks will be reviewed periodically, intermediate, and ensure the completeness, accuracy, users' documentation, encourage the report and errors uncovered in recommendations of changes in inclusions. Commander Officer Code 156, Naval Construction Battalion Center, Report Ham, California 930043. The foreword of this book. The foreword is the completion of commonly used data of the petroleum characteristics facilitate work on individual acquiring information proposed overall general planning. It has no intent of supplement publications of detailed technical significant nature such as laboratory engineering officers rather than consolidating one pamphlet of those items infrequently found in the scattered technical literature. The handbook, the Military Standards Handbook 210.1, was dated in July 1964. The continents include capacity of vertical cylinder storage tanks, vertical cylinder metric. The capacity of vertical storage tanks metric. Crude oil, a petroleum product, factors at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Filtration data, seizes sizes, gravity, conversations, degrees, API gravity and specific gravity, group number of AP gravity ranges, heavy value solid fuels, heavy heat value of liquid fuels, packaging, time table of API gravity equivalents, temperature conversion charts, temperature correction chart, roughly calculation, transportation pipeline dimension data, capacity of standard military lightweight steel pipelines, tankers and tankers cargo data, units of measure, area flow, length of volume, weights and pressure viscosity, parts 31. Part 2, graphic charts and diagrams, pipeline pressure required to pump aviation, gasoline, Navy, special diesel fuel, determination of a drum content, determination of tank capacity. Capacity of the cylinders is printed in volume per foot. The 1 foot mark is started at the U.S. gallon of 5/8 and 1 foot in diameter is 5/8. The vertical capacity of vertical cylinder volume per foot. And then the capacity of vertical storage dimensions, capacity dimensions, and capacity of vertical storage tanks. Capacity of vertical storage tanks continued. The capacity of vertical cylinder metric volume per meter. It's best to print these out, and I'll take some still shots of them. Capacity of vertical storage metric dimensions, which is 75%. Vertical storage tank metric dimensions in meters and kiloliters. And then crude oil and petroleum product factors at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Crude oil and petroleum product factors at 60 degrees Fahrenheit continued. And again,